Related to biological transformation, one important question is here. We will see now that transformation from a single cell into an adult individual with many different kinds of cells is called as, because here one single cell is getting transformed in adult individual. This is the reason it is known as transformation, because it is happening in individual which is living. That's why the whole process is known as biological transformation, or simply you can say transformation. Options of this question are here: development, evolution, adaptation, inheritance. You have 5 seconds to give the answer. Now we will see the answer. Development is the correct answer. Evolution is wrong. Adaptation is wrong. Inheritance is wrong. Now we will see the explanation. See, development is the progressive changes in size, shape, function during the life of an organism. Example, see, this is egg. From egg, first embryo gets developed. Then from embryo, chick develop, chick comes out, and then chick will develop in the adult chicken. So from egg to adult chicken, this is progressive change. This is a progressive change. Like we are seeing progressive changes in the development of a chicken from egg to adult. Here size, shape and function changes, and this progressive change is during the, so these changes which are progressive changes, when these are happening, these changes are happening during the life of an organism. But if we see evolution, then evolution is the change in the characteristics of a species over several generations. Here changes is happening in an organism during its life cycle, but in case of evolution, changes are happening in the characteristics of a species. Here a species is involved, and changes in characteristics of that species is happening not only in one generation but over several generations. So this is the difference between development and evolution. So development is a biological transformation if we consider it related to living beings. Evolution is changes in species over the period of time. Adaptation is different. In adaptation, a living organism or group of living organism gets adapt from one climate, one environment to another environment. Suppose one plant or animal which is found in northern hemisphere of the world, means in cold region. If we take those plants or animals to the south hemisphere of the world, means hotter areas, and there try to cultivate those plants or try to grow those plants and try to inhabitate those animals, and those animals and plants get adapted and they survive there, start living naturally. So that is the adaptation. Like one species get, one organism or group of organism get adapted from hotter area to colder area, vice versa. So that is known as adaptation. Inheritance. Here progeny means child or children, means offspring, child. They get genetic materials from their parents. So this is the difference between all these four different words.